Ladies and gentlemen, for your viewing pleasure, I feel like a lot of times it gets lost in translation just how powerful, 600 horsepower to the tire through an automatic in a real world scenario is. So today I just took out my truck. It's been a while. I went and got some E85, just filled up, cruised it around, watched my boost gauge like a ricer, laughed maniacally. And again, it makes about 4 pounds with the boost controller off. And as I progressively turn that knob, it makes upwards of 21. I think it maxes out on a 4-pound spring. I have quite a bit of flexibility there on power, but I just wanted to, do some roll-ins here and show people how disgusting. This is a 4,000-pound truck and how flat out dumb, but 500 to 600 horsepower to the tire is. It's in most cases, it's enough to really get yourself in trouble, or if you're in my shoes, have a lot of fun destroying tires at a 100-mile-an-hour roll.
So let's roll into 50%, see what it does. About 12 psi, diesel fuel cutoff. We hit it on 68. Is that a dumb question to ask? I got my fuel tanks. Extra fuel. Let's give it a quick ripper on almost 70%. It makes 15 psi. That's 100 miles an hour already. Jesus. Guys, let's have a quick conversation about respect. Let's talk about that. Let's open that up today. And I just want you to consider and think about the kind of assholes there are on the road today. I mean, sometimes they're just totally out of hand. Case in point, like who would do a burnout around this corner and all the way up this road? I mean, who would stay in it that long, risking innocent lives? Grandmothers walking their children across the street. I mean, there's just blatant disrespect anymore.
And that is just there for all the people that want 800 plus horsepower, just to show them what about 600 horsepower to the tire will do. When you roll into it in first gear from a stop, it'll paint lines for over 1,000 feet, pretty much as long as you can steer. And I lifted, I was going over 100, still boiling tire. So it accelerated to over 100 miles an hour while pouring that rubber off the whole time.